Slimy fake snot and sticky goo are a pretty fun way to gross out your friends. Hi, I'm Henry.
And I'm Amy, and today we're going to see who can make the grossest slime. You'll need white PVA glue, borax powder, warm water, a measuring cup, 2 plastic bowls, a teaspoon and mixing spoon, food colouring, some dried fruit, and some plastic novelty insects. I'm going first with some gross insect slime. Today I'm going to be using green food colouring and some plastic insects. You can just get these from any novelty shop. The first step is to mix 1 teaspoon of borax into a bowl with 1 cup of warm water. Stir it well so that the borax dissolves. In the other bowl, add half a cup of glue and half a cup of water and mix it together. Now it's time to add some colour and some creepy crawlies. Add a few drops of green food colouring to the glue mixture. You can experiment with the amount to see how green you want it to go. Then drop in some plastic bugs and stir them through. It's getting gross already. Now we need to activate our slime. This is where the borax mixture goes to work. Carefully pour the green glue mixture into the borax bowl and stir. You'll see the slime start to react almost straight away. Keep stirring and then use your hands. It might seem a bit stringy or lumpy at first, but keep going and it will smooth out. Ugh, a fresh batch of disgusting, sticky and stretchy insect slime.
Not bad, but I think we can go even grosser. How about some disgusting bat poo?
Ugh.
Use the same measurements as before, but this time add some red and blue food colouring to make a dark purple poo colour. The finishing touch is to add some dried fruit to make your bat poo feel as gross as it looks. Ugh, my bat poo is really slippery and sloppery.
My insect slime is really stretchy and smooth now. So what's the science behind the slime? It's all thanks to a process called polymerization. Glue is a polymer made up of long chains of molecules. The borax contains borate ions that change the structure of these chains. When we add the borax, the ions begin to tangle the polymer chains, making thick, gooey slime.
So, our experiment turned out pretty good. Why don't you try your own experiment and see if you can make your own slime?
And see if you can make one even grosser than ours.